Students, in this video I am going to explain the theorem 6.6 in the chapter triangles of class 10. So the theorem states that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we need to prove here. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle, suppose some take PQR, AB by PQ square, BC by QR whole square, and AC by PR square. So this is the thing we need to prove. When if the triangles we are considering as ABC, one triangle, and another triangle PQR, then we need to prove this. Area of triangle ABC by area of the triangle PQR equals to AB by PQ whole square plus equals to BC by QR whole square equals to AC by PR square. So now I am considering the triangles ABC and PQR. So here I will draw one perpendicular, let it be some M. Now I will draw one more perpendicular from P to QR, let it be N. So now area of triangle ABC. So what is the general area of the triangle formula? Half base into height. So here I will take half base as BC, then height will be AM. So perpendicular will be the height. So now area of a triangle PQR, we can take half QR into PN. So now if you find out the ratio of the areas, that means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, we can write as half into BC into AM by half into QR into PN. So half will eliminate. So we can write BC by QR into AM by PN. So this is the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Let it be 1. Now I am considering the triangle ABM and PQN. So consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN. So here angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is a given, because two triangles are similar. And angle M is equals to angle N. So each 90 degrees. So therefore by AA similarity we can say triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. So if triangles are similar, then we can write the corresponding sides are in proportion. So by that we can write, so therefore sides are in proportion, so that we can write AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. Let it be 2. AB by PQ is equals to M by PN. Actually BM by QN is also in proportion. So but in this theorem that is no need. So we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the given statement. So by this we can write the sides are in proportion. So we AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. Let it be 3. So the continuation I am writing here. Consider 1. What we got 1 here? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equals to BC by QR into AM by PN. So now from 2 what we can write? AM by PN means we can write AB by PQ, and from 3 AB by PQ means we can write BC by QR. So both from 1 and 3 we can write this one. BC by QR means AB by PQ into AB by PQ. So therefore area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equals to, we can write AB by PQ whole square. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR we got now AB by PQ square. So now using 3. So what is the 3 here? AB by PQ means we can write as BC by QR, and we can write AC by PR also. So by this we can write now area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, we can say AB by PQ whole square equals to, AB by PQ means we can write again BC by QR. So BC by QR whole square equals to BC by QR, again we can write as AC by PR. So AC by PR whole square. So this is the thing they asked to prove. So we proved area of the triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square equals to BC by QR whole square equals to AC by PR whole square. So the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, equals to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. AB and PQ, BC and QR, and AC and PR are the corresponding sides. So this is the proof. So once go to that.